take you to Texas now, where we're in day number 2 of the Mistress and child murder trial. The defendant is a former Border Patrol agent. He was married at the time to another Border Patrol agent with 2 kids, and he had an affair with the woman he's accused of killing. And what's more, he had a child with her too. He's accused of murdering the baby as well. On the stand right now is a friend of the victims. They went all through school together. They had contact on the day that she was going to this park to meet the defendant. We're gonna pick up exactly at the point where we hit the pause button before the break.
What kind of information did she share with you about Anthony?
At the beginning, she just told me that he was a Border Patrol.
That was at the beginning. What else did you come to learn about Anthony?
Well, when we first talked about him, she just mentioned that he was a Border Patrol and that he was separated, and that's pretty much what I knew about him.
Did you know if he was living in Laredo?
No. From my understanding, he wasn't living in Laredo. Like, he worked, but he would just come sometimes.
So like he was stationed somewhere else?
Yeah, I believe so. So I thought.
Do you remember if Grizelda advised him of her pregnancy?
Yeah.
To your knowledge, did Anthony ever help her with the baby financially?
No.
How do you know that?
Because she mentioned it to him, and he didn't want anything to do with the baby. Like, he didn't want her to go through the pregnancy, so he wasn't helping at all.
When you say he didn't want her to go through the pregnancy, what do you mean by that?
He wanted her to abort the baby.
And what was her decision?
She didn't want to. She was going to keep the baby.
So going into 2017, Grizelda's having financial problems or struggles. In 2017, he said that with the baby, school, financially it's tough.
Yes.
You guys discussed options or what she should do?
She did, well, we did talk about her wanting to putting him on child support so she can help herself.
What was your opinion about that?
I told her that she should.
So, at that point in time, did she know before the decision? Ultimately, did she decide that yes, she's going to pursue child support?
Yeah.
Up until that time, did she know where Anthony lived?
No.
Did you or her both of you try to find out more about Anthony?
Yes.
So tell us. Did you help her try to find stuff out about Anthony?
We tried to do our investigation, I can say. We would like go through social media, Google, see a little bit more about him, just see what we can find out. Because you need like an address to be able to report for child support.
So as her best friend, you're helping her now try to find this guy? Yes?
Yes.
So you're using social media, like what?
Instagram, Facebook, and Google search.
Any success finding out information on him or his family?
She was able to find Instagram and the address on Google.
Okay. Now that she had the address, are we talking now 2017, 20? Close to 2018?
Close to 2018.
Around that whole child support time?
Yeah, I don't recall the dates.
That's fine. What, if anything, do y'all do?
Well, we find out where he lives, and we did pass by his house to see if we can, like, if he actually did live here or he didn't.
How many times were you, or let me ask you this, how, if any way, did you get to go to his house? Who was driving?
I would drive.
You would drive?
Yeah, I went like once or twice, and I drove when I was with her.
Do you remember the color of his house?
I don't remember the color of his house.
Do you remember more or less what part of town he lived in?
Around Shiloh Crossing, I want to say, or Shiloh, off Loop 20.
So if you enter Shiloh off of Loop 20, can you give me just a general direction of how to get there?
So around where the Shiloh Crossing apartments are, in that subdivision.
You go in there?
Yes. I don't recall how to, more or less, but yes, passing the apartments.
So that's one of the landmarks there, the apartments. Any
Yeah.
other landmarks or buildings that you remember?
I remember there was a park nearby, and that's it. I don't recall anything else.
Were you ever able to find out if he had a family?
Yes,
Tell us about that.
So we eventually found out that he was indeed married, and that the wife actually lived in Laredo.
Oh, why do you say she actually lived in Laredo?
Because at the beginning, when she thought that they were separated, or she wasn't in the picture, there was some mention that she lived out of state.
Where?
In Florida, I want to say.
Were y'all able to discover any information on his wife? Social media on Anthony's wife?
Just her name.
Okay. And were you able to view any photos on her site?
Yeah, we saw some pictures of her children, of his kids.
Do you all remember, or what did you do when you all saw these pictures of the
Well,
children?
at that point, it's when he was like always denying, like this is already like fast forward, he denied Dominic, so we just compared the pictures of his son to Dominic, and they were the same. They looked very alike.
When you say they were the same, you found pictures of Anthony's kids? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, we saw a picture of one of his, I don't know if it's his youngest or which one, but there was a baby picture and it looked so much alike, like Dominic.
This is huge, my friends. As you know, he never wanted the baby. That's what she's sharing with this jury. Never wanted the baby. Wanted her to abort the baby initially. Didn't want her to keep the baby. And when she did, look what happened to the baby. Did he do it? Did he kill this baby? It's going to be up to the jury to answer that question as they take in all of these horrific facts and pieces of evidence to consider in that decision. We're going to squeeze in a break. When we come back, we'll return to Texas and hear more from victim Grizelda Hernandez's dear friend.
A woman and her one-year-old son found dead in a park.
Now the child's father stands trial for their murders.
An ex-Border Patrol agent's life hangs in the balance in this high-stakes death penalty trial.
The state alleges a lawsuit over child support was his motive for murder.
Court TV cameras will be inside the courtroom, capturing every dramatic moment.
The Mistress and Child murder trial. Live coverage today on Court TV.
to Court TV Live. Let's go back to Texas now. We're seeing the victim's dear friend, the two of them going all the way through grade school together, and they spoke on the day that the victim was killed. Now, she's really painting a very vivid picture here because she's let this jury know that the defendant didn't want the baby that he had with her secretly. Let's go back in together live.
Do you remember what his name was on social media?
I'm sorry, who's?
Do you remember what name Anthony used on social media?
Roro-Avi.
Can you spell that for us?
I think it's R-O-R-O, and then Avi is A-V-I.
Roro-Avi. What else did you come to learn about the relationship that Grizelda had with Anthony?
Well,
How often would they see each other?
they would see each other just once in a while. It wasn't, I wouldn't say it was like a boyfriend-girlfriend relationship. It was more like they just dated once in a while.
Did you ever know how would they communicate?
By social media.
Okay. Do you know how she met Anthony?
All I know is that they met by social media.
But you don't know which social media?
Not what platform, no.
Do you know what type of relationship Anthony had with Dominic?
They had no relationship.
In fact, did you ever learn about him wanting to give up his paternal rights?
Yes, he texted Grizelda that he wanted to give up his rights.
Did you see that text? Or did she show you that text?
Yes.
And you said earlier that you would use social media, or you would use Instagram to communicate with her?
I would use Facebook Messenger and Snapchat to communicate with her.
I'm gonna do, Your Honor, to be more efficient with time, I'll show her all the text message printouts we have and have her identify them all instead of having to come back each time. So I'm gonna show you what's been marked as State's Exhibit 47, 48, 49, and have you look at 47. You recognize this?
Yes.
Okay. You can look at the next one. You recognize what's in 48?
Yes.
Also in 47, there's a couple of other pages. Can you look at it and tell me if it fairly and accurately depicts what's in there, that it's accurate? And that you recognize it?
Yes, I do.
Can you check the next page on 47?
Yeah, yes, I do.
Okay. Now go to 48. So you can check 48 and tell me and tell the court if it fairly accurately depicts what you're seeing.
Yes.
Okay. And in 49. Does that fair and accurately depict 49?
Yeah, that's my.
That's you?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, he's showing the documents to defense counsel there. Typically, you're going to show the documents to opposing counsel first before you approach the witness with them. This way they know what's being shown. Not sure it was done, why it was done in reverse order this time, but it was. Let's go back and watch some more.
Okay. On page 2 of State's Exhibit 487. Starting at the top, can you tell us what date that is?
January 14, 2018.
Okay, this is from who to who? This is,
I believe I sent that.
okay.
I sent it to Chris.
And what do you say?
When did you send this? Because I just got it.
And then?
Dom doesn't need anyone but you and your family. He has everything. Don't even try. In Spanish.
And I want you to say it, and then we're going to wait for a translation. Is that right, Judge?
Yes.
Okay, so what slang Spanish word do you say here?
I
Read it real time, just say it. It's okay, just go ahead and say it how you
biologically, so he needs to support financially. No más hasta ahí, meaning.
better.
And that's that.
And then what else do you say?
Dom will hurt more having a selfish person in and out of his life.
This is the advice you're giving her?
Yes.
Go ahead. Can you clarify for the record, is this from her to you or you to her?
I don't know. I can't see, and I don't recall if it's.
Judge, may we approach? Approach? Yes, approach, please.